Hello, my loves! I'm back. It's been almost a year. So I disappeared because I manifested a job position as a community manager, and I wasn't ready to do podcasts anymore. I needed to focus on me and do other stuff. So anyway, now I'm back, and let's skip the introduction because I think introduction in podcasts are very annoying. But just to remind you, Manifested That is here to expand your manifestation power. My name is Pauline Lejuste, and I am here to help people to manifest and attract the things they desire, because it's completely possible to create the life that you want. So, today I want to speak about jobs. The future jobs. Let's say that the future jobs that we're gonna have in the next 20 years. Because many people are like afraid of what is happening with technology and AI and all this stuff, like replacing they are gonna replace humans on some jobs. But let me tell you something, like robots and technology and AI and whatever will never replace humans, because we are emotional and there's no way something can replicate our emotions. For instance, if you are doing a spiritual, like, there is no way that technology can replace spiritual jobs. And I'm gonna list you the spiritual jobs I found and discover and download and channeled, because now I'm channeling stuff. And there is no way like technology can replace all the new jobs that are gonna be created and are needed by humans for humans. Technology can replace and copy and create new stuff, amazing stuff, even for surgery, even for medicine and everything. But there are many things that technology will never replace. And there's a list go on. So I'm gonna list all the jobs I have found. You have astrologist, light language transmitter, medium, numerologist, oracle card reader, palm reader, relationship coach, psychic, Reiki practitioner, shaman, pet Reiki practitioner, marketing for conscious brands, sound healer, witchy store, tarot card reader, conscious real estate, doctor, bookstore owner, sexual coach, nurse, let's say doula, tai chi instructor, health assistant, intuition coach, spiritual money investor, advisor too, lecturer leader, private tutor, tantric teacher, aura photographer, past lives practitioner, book writer, candle maker, freelance writer. Ooh, my throat chakra, sorry. Breathwork practitioner, musician, uplifting music, organic beauty product, acupuncturist, psychic for pets and animals, aromatherapist, crystal healer, trauma coach, Ayurvedic therapist, podcast producer, chakra healer, dream interpreter, EFT practitioner, herbalist, hypnotherapist, meditation instructor, paranormal investigator, spiritual house cleaning, massage therapist, reflexologist, drone manager. But again, like those, let's say technological jobs are for new brands, like conscious brands and spiritual businesses. Therapist, painter, podcast host, public and spiritual speaker, singer, again, uplifting and conscious music, end of life coach. Oh my god, this one is so deep. End of life coach is like when someone knows that he's gonna die and this person like has a bucket list of things they want to achieve before they die. So an end of life coach help those people to fulfill their dreams before they die. And I think this is absolutely beautiful. Tattoo artist, martial arts instructor, organic farmer, personal trainer, festival organizer. Yes. Like people helping, providing and creating events, spiritual events, we fucking need that. Yoga instructor, soul conveyor, ferryman, meaning people who are gonna die, they assist them to pass through the gates. You know, like it's kind of like a priest, but more in a spiritual way. Crystal store, pet sitter, business, social media manager to spiritual business, spiritual non-profit organizer, virtual assistant to spiritual business, Feng Shui practitioner, and spiritual decor consultant. And there are probably maybe like so much other jobs. I couldn't like list everything, but this is what I found, and I think this is very important for you if you are listening to this episode right now, that no matter what is happening in the world, no matter what is happening with the jobs, with the economy, with AI, with everything, like even if you lose your current job, there is another job that will be created, or you will find your own job. You will maybe create your own job, because this is what is happening with spirituality. Like people are creating their own jobs aligned with their gifts, aligned with their natural talents and skills and abilities. And this is what we are supposed to do. This is what we came here to do, actually. This is our purpose, to find like what our gifts are and use them. And use them for people to bring services, because everything in this world is based on services. Like we are like giving services to each other. We are giving services to each other. Like even someone who is renting you, like the owner of the flat that you are renting, they are providing you a roof. And in exchange for this roof, you are giving to this person money, because money is a currency of this world, of this capitalist world, right? So everything is based on services. Like, and when you see that your job is a service, this is when everything changes. And if you feel called, if you feel called to change your path and find your purpose and have a spiritual job, please make your research, do something about it. Like get through Instagram, because Instagram is like a beautiful community. You can meet and find so many beautiful coaches that can help you and guide you. And also me, don't forget to follow me on Instagram at YouManifestedThat. And no worries, okay? No matter what is happening in the world, I swear, keep the faith. I love you. Thank you so much for listening, and I will see you in the next episode. And I just fucking love you. That's it.